Hello everyone, Q-Bro here. We have enjoyed the LG C1 OLED TV for about a month now. We have used it for gaming, movies, YouTube, you name it, all the good stuff. So I thought maybe we can do a video about its remote control. If you have bought the PS5 and you got one of these, you would know how hard it is to change the battery. It is quite difficult. But with the LG C1 remote, it's another story. Simply just slide the bottom right here, and you see two AA batteries. So we got the power button right here. And beside the power button, we have the microphone hole when we use the voice command. And we got the number from 1 to 9 and then 0. Of course, the voice command button is right here. So besides the fact that we can use these numbers to select the channels when you're using your setup box, you can also assign shortcuts to each of these numbers, except for 9 and 0. So this remote is the Canadian edition. We only have the Netflix, Disney Plus, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, LG channels, and Prime Video. So if we would like to add a shortcut button, first we open up YouTube. Okay, we can choose a number to assign YouTube. I'm going to choose 1. Press and hold down 1. And it will tell you, do you want to add YouTube to quick access 1? Yes. And there you have it. We have YouTube added to button 1. Now that we have assigned button 1 for YouTube, we can easily go to YouTube by holding down number 1. Bam! We have YouTube. We had mentioned that number 9 and 0 is reserved. So what is number 9? Let's see. Hold down 9. We have the quick help. And what is 0? Let's press that. It will bring you the edit quick access. So for me, I have assigned 1 for YouTube. So below the number 7, we have the list button. So what happens when we press this? We have the TV channels. So it seems like for this remote, every time you hold down the button, the function changes. So let's press and hold the list button. This will give you full access of all the TV shows.
This case, obviously gaining actual.
So depending on your country, I suppose, the 3-dot button below 9 give you different functions, I believe. If I were to press this, it will say more actions, user guide, information, sports, quick help, quick app. By far, the coolest button on this remote is the mute button. Press it once, and mutes. Press it again, muting. However, if you press it 3 times in a row, something cool happens. But first, you want to choose the input that has no signal. If you were to do it right now, nothing will happen and you will get very frustrated. So I'm going to press 3, which is connected to my PS5. Press and hold down, brings us to the no signal page. This menu comes up. So there's the AV reset. You can try that. Auto tuning, set top box power, LG remote service. There is the auto power sync. There's the LG logo. I turned it off. And no signal image. So if you turn this one off right here, this means when you power off and power on the TV, it doesn't have the LG logo and the TV goes off faster. Next, we have the home button. Let's press it. Brings us to the home menu. Import button right here. So you can quickly select your import source. Next, we have the voice command button right here. So mine is not set up properly yet, but if you have set up properly, it will give you suggestions of what to watch. If you hold down on the button, you can import your voice command through the microphone hole right here. It works pretty well. This remote also comes with a tracking wheel. To be honest, do not really use this one that often. The other thing that you can use this tracking wheel as an OK button. So if you were to, let's say, select YouTube, just press down on the tracking wheel. Then we have the settings button, which is the gear icon right here. Press once, all the settings right here. The picture mode, sound out, game optimizer, sleep timer, network, all settings. Hold down on this gear button. It will bring you this. We got the pictures, the sound, the general, and support. Finally, we have the color buttons right here. It seems like these buttons, they have different functions in different apps. So you can experiment around and see what they do. Below these color buttons, there's the shortcuts for the popular apps like Netflix, Disney+. This is Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, LG channels, Prime Video. So depending on your region, you will have different shortcut buttons right here. I hope you enjoyed the video and find it helpful. Please leave a comment, like and subscribe, and have a great day. I had trouble with this, but 3 times quickly didn't work. Did not work.